Saturday, 21st of December, 2024. First day of winter. First full day of winter will be tomorrow. Winter came in at 4:21 this morning. It's 33 degrees, only going to 50 today. I think down in the 20s tonight. I'm not sure how high for tomorrow. This will be our first winter video. First winter of 2024 video. Heading to my daughter's house. Just gotten on I-85 south from whatever exit that is, Jefferson, US Highway 120. Sunday, April 23rd, 2023. Probably 4 o'clock. High 60s, low 70s. Back through the woods, you looking towards the creek, you can see the van just a little bit. We're here at Pine Log Wildlife Management Area. Probably the last video we get unless we come back tomorrow. The state of Georgia has lost the lease on Pine Log, and I think it'll be closing April 30th. And this land is probably going up for sale for logistics centers. If anyone knows a very rich philanthropist that would love to buy this land and keep it as a wildlife management area, preserve it, wouldn't that be nice? I know some of y'all know somebody that's got the money to do it. Save this land from logistics centers and warehouses. I've got longer videos, and I have videos and still pictures of inside the furnace looking up the stack, but the furnace is not as stable as it used to be, so we're not going in there today. I did put the Osmo on the selfie stick about 5.5 feet and ran it in, so we'll see what we get with it. Walk down to the creek, take a peek at the creek. I've got rattlesnake videos here. This is a gorgeous piece of property. It'd be a shame. It's going to be a shame. I don't see anybody stepping up to save it. These rocks are slick. I mean, they are slick. This water is cold. We've already got a temperature on it. I think it's 48, 47 degrees. $51 up here. That's interesting. We're recording with the Osmo, the Samsung S22 Ultra, 1920 by 1080. Now, I saw some of these online the other day talking about what they were, but I've forgotten what they are.